Today is the day where I finally take a break from all the studies and homework and tasks that I got from school, and I'm going to be going out with my friends, and I'm honestly really excited. I haven't gone out with them since it's only been 3 months since I met them, but they are my best friends now, so let's hope to have some real good fun. Let's do my makeup. Guys, yesterday my school was talking about studying abroad next year for summer break, and there are 3 countries we get to go to. If there was America, honestly, I want to go back to my home country, so I would have chosen America, but we don't have America in our option. And there's only the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. And for if I go to the UK, I would have to stay in a countryside house, and I think it's the same for New Zealand. So I thought maybe Australia was the best option for me. But honestly, guys, I really hate big spiders and long snakes. If only they had America, But what do you guys think? Have you ever been to Australia? Have you ever studied abroad or even traveled? Or maybe some of you live in Australia. I just want to know what it's like. I actually never have been to Australia, so it might be a good experience. I haven't been to the UK either. Only just a couple of countries. By the way, do you guys have any questions I can answer in my Q&A video? Which would probably be in a couple weeks. I'm planning, but I honestly don't have enough questions. I might do a self-introduction plus some of the questions that I got. I just realized that I didn't put any contacts in. Perfect. Oh my god. Okay guys, I am finished with my makeup. Okay, now I'm finished with my makeup. Let's get changed. I don't know what to wear. How do I look? Slay. We need to move on to hair. We've got the goodies. I'm gonna go take these. Gotta take my lippies, my eyelash curler because my eyelashes fall down so easily, and my mascara to go with it. Also, I'm gonna bring this Maybelline eyebrow pencil because that's what I wrote my eyeliner with today. I'm running out. Gonna take this perfume from Rituals. Gonna take my foundation and a sponge with it. I might take this one. I think it fits more stuff. My wallet. My necklaces, a hairbrush, and a fan. Here's the final look. See you guys there. Love ya.
けるとさ、めっちゃ表情がパッて変わって可愛い。もうスイッチがオン。めっちゃ好き。
大好き。香水？何そう？
しっかりと使い終わった後閉めていただくようにお願いいたします。
どれ？これ？かわいいじゃん。私これ欲しい。
あなたキティちゃんが好き？
赤好き。かわいい。ペンダント？そう。知らないかな？サビナかけてる。ありがとうございます。どれがいいかな？
ここに塗ってこうよ。
ああ、手が。
可愛い。あ、でも可愛い。
両方買えば？
どうしよう。でもこっちの方が青みがつく。
毎日使うんだったらこっちの方が使いやすいと思う。
でもこれも似合いそう。これか、これか。映画？だっていろいろ食べようかなって食べてるしな。もうちょいお肉いける。
めっちゃ刺されるんだけど。あ、いけた。
見て。ローラーにしたの。何？ローラーのピザ。
学校に持ってけるから。
いけない？すごく頑張ります。私こういうあれかと思ったら。入った。見て。可愛くない？そういうの苦手なんですよ。
カメラに見せて。Okay guys, I am back from my girls' date. It was so fun. And tomorrow is a holiday in Japan, so I will be studying and doing everything tomorrow. But I really want to show you guys what I got today. I'm so excited to show you guys. My friend went to Jill Stewart to get a perfume that she wanted. And I got some samples. Like, I didn't even buy anything and the woman just gave me some nice samples. Honestly, I was like really happy. They gave me this lip serum and head cleanse. And then I got myself some stuff as well. I got a concealer that I really needed. And this time I didn't get myself one like a normal one. I got myself a green one for redness, and so it's red right here, so I'm gonna start using it right now. The coverage is absolutely amazing as well, and this concealer is #1 right now in Korea, and a lot of Japanese people like it as well, so I wanted to give it a try. I think it's better to blend it with like either a brush or your fingers rather than a beauty blender. But voila. And then I got myself some lip serum. Honestly, I really needed one. I bought this as like a back to school present for myself, and I will be using it mainly in school as well. Oh, Oh, wow. My lips were so chapped after the barbecue, but like, this is a lifesaver. Wow. I am so happy with my purchase, honestly. Thank you. You guys know that I used to have a Tear lip gloss and I finished it up the other day and I am honestly so sad and I want to go buy another one. I'm such a fan of them. And then I got myself some stationery from Mujirishi. I will be showing you guys these in my back to school shopping haul video, so stay tuned, but I'll just briefly show you guys what I got. I got myself a black pen marker, a small scissor, and some lead, glue stick, and pens. Stay tuned in the back to school video, guys. And that was my purchase, but my friend gave me a small present. Isn't he so cute? Like, I guess my friend used to be an army, but she isn't anymore, so she gave me this that she had. He's sleeping with me tonight. And she also gave me this mascara. I think it's quite popular in the US, but it is also popular in Japan as well. It's called Hero Make. And yeah, I think a ton of influencers have this. And she hasn't used it yet, which is a surprise. I kind of want to use it right now, but I already have mascara on. So I really want to use it tomorrow. And that's it. I don't have anything else to show you guys. Honestly, I'm broke. Everybody was buying like a ton of stuff. Like my friend was buying a ton of makeup and the other friend was buying Jill Stewart. I bought stationery and concealer and a $5 lip serum. I'm broke. I think my iPhone took a ton of money from me, but it was so worth it because my friends don't have an iPhone 15 Pro and I do. Just kidding. It doesn't matter what iPhone you have or even if you have a phone. Friendship is all that matters, guys. By the way, I really like my makeup today. I was having second thoughts when I did it, but I really like my mascara. I did have a ton of second thoughts on my mascara, but then my friend was like, oh my god, your mascara looks so good. And I was like, oh my god, I love you so much. Yeah. And my lippies that I was using today was also really beautiful. So I'm very sad that one of my friends was absent. She is like my best friend and I really love her so much. So honestly, I was really sad. And I hope she gets better on Tuesday because we have school on Tuesday. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. And if you like this video, please subscribe. I will be posting a ton during summer break. And for those who already subscribed me, thank you so much. I love you guys so much and I couldn't have gone this far without you. Love you. Bye.